Hello everyone, if you will go through this video until end, you will get to know about procurement and supply chain courses and about their value and relevance. So stay tuned.
Okay.
So, hello everyone, and welcome to the series of knowledge sharing session today. This side Monty Verma, and I am a so friends. Thank you so much for being with us today, and I hope you all are safe and sound. Guys, today we are continuing our knowledge sharing session with Procurement Wale, and this is our 13th episode. Yep. Just a moment, let me mute rest of participants. Just a minute. So now you all might have a very big question that why we have changed the name from Procurious Empowering the Procurement to Procurement Wale. So friends, do you have really this question or not? Please write yes or no in the chat box. So you are very curious to know about why we changed our Procurious Empowering the Procurement name to Procurement Wale. Okay, I tell you why we changed the name because Procurious as a procurement firm or company is already exist on Google, and they approached us to not to use that name, hence we decided to change that name as Procurement Wale, and our intention was not to harm any entity or any company image, correct? And whatever we have done till date or till time is purely not profitable. Now I hope you all are very familiar with Procurement Wale, yeah, and are you the WhatsApp member of Procurement Wale or not? Please reply yes or no in chat box, or I can provide you the number where you can contact directly to me to be part of our procurement professional group. So here we go. This is my number. Okay. So now I am looking forward for a favor from your side. Please help us to grow and let's spread our knowledge sharing sessions to each and every corner of this planet. And that is why I am sharing the web link of our YouTube channel in chat box. Please click there, open and subscribe now. Kindly confirm, have you got LinkedIn channel web link? And I am also going to share another link of our LinkedIn page in chat box. You can also follow us over there. So this is our LinkedIn page link. You can click and follow us. Okay. One more interesting thing I am gonna share with you guys, and strongly I believe that you will love this. So guys, listen me very carefully that I will ask a single question in the end of this session, and question will be having 4 multiple answers, and only one participant or you know participants or listeners are allowed to write correct answer in chat box. The person who will write or tell us the correct answer first of all will be entitled for appreciation certificate from procurement wale. Correct? And now, without wasting further time, I want to move forward to start this session. Friends, many of us have doubt about procurement certification courses, that which course we should accomplish or what is its relevance.
उसका भरे गैस और कुछ चला रहा
Sorry, we have some background noises. Let me mute all of them. Thank you. So many of us question that what is the relevance of procurement certification, and I hope that you all are also familiar with ISM, means Institute for Supply Chain Management India, right? And today we have Arun Paul from ISM with us, who share his knowledge or information about procurement certification courses. Hello, Arun, and welcome to Procurement Wale.
Thank you, Mr. Montu. And the interesting thing I just want to let you know, like this name is Procurement Wale, is quite interesting than the previous one.
Thank
So
you so
you
much.
found immediately something very, very good, because this is something which clicked in mind is immediately.
Okay. So, Arun, before
Yeah.
we really start this session, I am very curious to know about your procurement journey until today and how you got the opportunity to be part of ISM. Thank you.
Great. Great. Thank you. Firstly, I would like to thank you to you to having me on this platform, connecting with a lot of people who's dealing in the procurement day to day. So I feel procurement field is very good, because in that function, the person who's in the procurement is very important for the organization, because procurement is always, earlier it was like non-professional peoples are also joined this procurement, but now procurement is the professionalized things around people, and many a good organization coming to the professionalized thing is the procurement, right? And many good certification coming into this. Earlier we thought like somebody who's not fit anywhere, just put into the procurement side, he'll do this, he'll manage the things around, he'll source it. But nowadays has to be something which I like, because in the procurement very strategic things are there. So you have to make the strategy for this, for that, right? Because procurement is like not cost center now, it's a profit center, we always talk about. So earlier I was in the IT field, now then I moved into the IT procurement, and very good point, yeah, very good turning point in my life is I joined ISM, and here I'm connected with the people who's doing enormous procurement. Even uh, ISM India's CEO, Mr. Kishan K. Batra, I hope you might be heard about him. Many of them maybe know him. Mr. Batra was the chairman of United Nations, and he was dealing in the procurement and supply chain only. And he was developed the UNSPSC, which many of our friends using it. So he was a developer of UNSPSC. So I got the chance to meet him. Then I thought this is the right path I have to go. So right now I'm connected with many of the organizations doing the consulting work for the procurement transformation, and full time in the ISM India. Thank you.
Great. It's really our pleasure to have you today. And
Thank you.
good to go. We can start our today's session. And please share your insights about procurement professional
Yes,
certification.
yes, yes.
Thank you.
So today's agenda is what I have in my mind. Like I will introduce you firstly ISM India, what certifications we have, right? What is the beneficial of, I mean, those certificated, how can you can take the benefit, you can take the advantage. and how can be useful those things in your organizations, right? So whatever we are doing, the certifications part, consultancy part, and the obviously the training also we have. So I'll provide you all the introduction of ISM India first of all today. So let me share my PPT, then we can start. Is that okay?
Sure, sure, Arun.
Uh, Mr. Montu, I think there is an issue like host disabled participant screen sharing. So that's how I'm not able to share my screen. So should I send to you immediately if you can share, help me out, or if
Just
you
a
can change
moment,
the
just a
setting?
moment. I am just giving you the right so that you can share your screen. Just a moment.
Yes, yes, yes.
Arun, can you please check now? Is it okay with you?
Yes, it is. Thank you so much.
Great. Good to go now.
Okay, all set. So screen, can you share, see the screen?
Yeah, we can see the screen. Thank
Okay,
you.
at least all can see this. Okay, great. So should I start now?
Please go ahead.
Okay, thank you so much. And welcome. Good afternoon, my friends. And this is like great opportunity to present the things and all of in front of you. So, and first of all, I would like to thank you to Mr. Balanarayanan, who's the part of SSC, and Mr. Montu Verma, who's the part of Procurement Wale, which is a good name you suggested. Uh, so you thank you so much. Is the biggest thanks to you to provide this opportunity to present the things about ISM India. As ISM India is a well known, many of them I think they must be heard about the ISM India. But let me take this opportunity to share the things again with them. Okay, so today we will talk about the something, a few some points I am written down. Like we talk about the about ISM India, what we are, what we does, and we have the e-learning platform to provide the e-learning certifications on a very quick way. You can complete these certifications, and one is the CPP, which today our focus area, the CPP certification. So today we will, my focus point is the CPP to present the things, and our we have international certifications also, so we can keep the different session or other session on the same, because they that have the lots of things to share with you. So about ISM India, ISM India is an affiliate of ISM USA, which is the oldest organization in the world, that set up in 1915. In the field of supply management, they are doing the certifications, training, consulting, right? And is a center of excellence basically. And ISM India is a partner of United Nations and the World Bank also, right? They also having the certification in the field of procurement and supply chain both. In the so we are dealing with the private sectors and public sectors both. So we have the certifications from World Bank, which suits the requirement of the public procurement domain. right? So this is all about the ISM India on the broader way. So because we don't have much time, so I'm not reading full, just give you the fairly idea about the same. So what ISM India does, we have many things, many activities in ISM India, but these are the major key pillars of ISM India. First is the competency assessment test. So when you talk about the competency assessment, it comes to the individual also, it comes to the organizations level also. So when you talk about the organizations level, because we are mostly dealing with the organizations for competency assessment. So for the group, we assess the competency, like in which they are lacking, in which they have the strengthen points. So based on that, we find the gap of area, like in which area they need the improvements. So based on that, we design the training programs, we design the certifications, and this could be useful for the recruitment for their organizations. Right. Next is the professional certifications. So if when we talk about the professional certification in the supply chain, procurement and supply chain, there's only few certifications come in our mind which on the international level. One of them is the CPSM and IPSM. I mean IPSM also. CPSM comes from ISM USA, which is as I told you, like the oldest organization in the world, set up in 1915. And the second one is the IPSCM, which is the International Professional and Supply Chain Management. That comes from ITC Geneva, which is the United Nations body. And if you talk about the credibility and you have something from the United Nations, then I don't think so anybody should ask anything else about of this. Next is the capacity development. So the capacity development basically and the training programs per se. So we are providing the capacity development and the training program certifications for the same, right? So based on the competency assessment test of the organizations, we will provide the training programs wherever they needed, and that could be the tailor-made based on the discussion from the stakeholder of the organizations. Fourth is the just hiding some. Okay, fourth one is the procurement and SM consultancy. So we are in the field of consultancy also, consulting basically. So in the consulting firm, what we are doing is like we have done one project for Government of India as well, and many of the organizations, which is the MNCs, we have done on the basis of like spend analysis and you can see the transformation of procurement 1.0 to 4.0. So this is the consulting we are providing. Today's we will discuss about the virtual academy, right? ISM India set up a virtual academy to facilitate online access to various e-learning certifications, e-certifications per se, because nowadays it's difficult to get the certificate which could be the physical. That's not possible nowadays. The scenario is changed. So the e-learning certificate is the best, and you might be heard and you might be seen last 3 to 2 months. We have seen like there are a lot of e-learning certificates coming into the market, but we have done this e-learning platform last 3 to 4 years. We are running this. So this plays a key role in the fast tracking the skill development of the individuals. So when we talk about the skill development, when due to this pandemic, I mean this is very bad things to very worst thing we have seen our lifetime. It's not much, but yes, even our parents and their parents also not have seen like this. So due to this pandemic, now the things we have to rethink about our lifestyle, about our skills, about our thought process basically. So when we talk about our skills, so that is directly linked with the requirements, what company needed. So skills is based on that. So skills, we always used to say learn, unlearn and learn. So whatever we learn in the colleges or maybe 2-3 years back, that may be not useful in today's scenario. So we have to upgrade our skills in the specific function where you are working. So to improving your skills, we are providing this features you can easily improve, because this is industry driven courses we are coming up with. This is not like the academic things around you have, because academic you have already done a lot of things around. You have very good knowledge of the academic, you have passed your business schools and other part of the colleges, you have completed your academic. But now talk about the skills, particular functions, right? So for this we have set up the things, you can go ahead with this, right? So here I would like to focus on our skills only. So for the skills we have e-learning certifications. I would just introducing you. One thing I remember, like Mr. Batra, who's the CEO of the company, always used to say, like, disrupt yourself, otherwise other will disrupt you. So disrupt means you have to learn the things. Everybody should learn new things and disrupt ourselves with the new things around. So this is the first one of the certificate from our e-learning platform called CPSS, Certified Professional in Strategic Sourcing. Whosoever dealing with the strategic sourcing function, this is the most useful certificate. Many of, more than 3,000 people registered for the this particular course, and it's a good part. Like many companies sponsoring the program for their employees. More than 100 companies we have connecting for the CPSS only, right? And currently pursuing around 700, as you have seen this. So strategic sourcing is basically enhance the efficiency and value, ultimately impacting the profitability of your entire organization, because we all are talking about the profit only, right? When we in the business, right? So this is only the profit is the key mantra of the organizations, right? In any you talk about it. Okay, there is a pop-up. Just sorry, who's the new? Okay.
No problem.
So in this online,
forward.
okay, sure. So in this online certifications, you will learn how to develop and implement a procurement strategy that aligns with your overall competitive strategy. As in the introduction itself, I told you guys, the procurement is the very strategic function. Is not like the earlier days. It is very strategic function. You have to make the strategy for everything, either for sourcing, for the procurement, for the negotiation. So it is the very structured program. This is the totally self-paced program. So you can come, you can join anytime, whenever you want. The maximum duration is 6 months. So based on your availability, you can complete this certification whenever you want. Like this is the benefit of e-learning certification, which is 100% e-learning, right? So the next one is I'm giving the just introduction about the same. For full detail, we'll share the details with you separately on the individual basis, right? So the next is the ABP. So right now, nowadays, not right now, nowadays, before 2-3 years back, I can say that you must be heard about the word blockchain in a very enormous way. People talk about the blockchain, what is blockchain, how it will be benefited to the organizations, and now it is the smartest way to do the contract. Basically, right now many of the organizations develop the smart contract based on the blockchain. So the blockchain, the very good things of the blockchain is the transparency, right? And connected all nodes. Nodes means all the person who is involving in this, they can see that what is going on, right? So there is no one can theft anything, no one can thief anything, no one can hide anything. It is totally transparent. So this is a blockchain concept coming in the market, and the very good thing is the smart contract. It is already done on the base of blockchain. So we have the certification of understanding of blockchain technology for procurement and SCM professionals. So this is very good because the future is on the blockchain only. Blockchain, our finance department is also moving to the blockchain because of the transparency. Even on the government sectors, also many sectors coming on the blockchain. I heard somewhere like on this land sector is going on the blockchain. So all records, no one can play with the records. So you should have flavor of this blockchain because the future is this. So next one is the CPP certificate, which is the uh, focus point for today basically. So here is the just an idea I'm giving you, and later on I'll cover more things about CPP certificate. So this is like a CPP certificate is basically, obviously all the certificate are online, 100% online courses, and this is basically for middle level managers, directors, senior level managers, and the CPOs, CFOs. So for those, it is very useful certificate, because in the CPP certificate, we have covered all the aspects, all the verticals which could be helpful for the procurement. Either it is sourcing, negotiation, risk, legal, contract management. So all the things we have covered in this CPP certificate. And this certificate is developed with the Accenture, because as I told you, this is the all the certifications are industry driven, not the academic or something like that. This is the industry driven. We discuss with the industry, many of the industry, and Accenture, we sit with Accenture and develop the course content for the same. So many people already joined this, many companies is sponsoring this program, and currently person number is also good. But we want like this would be more. You also join this program. Next is the APP certificate. See, when you talk about the CPP certificate, which is the middle level and the senior level managers, but we don't have anything for the beginners, right? So we come up with again with the Accenture with the beginners APP certificate, accredited procurement professional certificate. So this is for the executives level, beginners level, and somewhere middle level where the knowledge is like they left up with their colleges, they want just start from the scratch. So for them, it is very much required, right? So as this is also joined by many people, and you can also join this. I will share with you the details of this again. So now the CPP, we will talk about this is the focus point of today, certified procurement professional. So as I told you, this is a 100% online course. Like 100% means you don't have to go on test centers, because our e-learning other certifications like international certificate called CPSM and IPSCM, where you need to go on the test centers to take the exams, because those are the proctor based exam in that. So on the same standard, we kept the standard same as CPSM has, but this is totally online. You can take the exams from anywhere from your home anytime, right? So that's why it is 100% online course, ideal for the procurement professional in any industry who are responsible for creating competitive environments and identifying cost saving opportunity. As initially I told you, the procurement is not cost center, this is the profit center. So because you guys got the opportunity to saving the money of the organizations, you negotiate a lot. So with that process, you are the profit center. It is also must for the professionals who are responsible for supply chain processes and developing strategies to support the supply chain performance. As you know that every job requires a specific set of knowledge and skills, and this varies depending on the type of complexity of the job. So complexity of the job, procurement is quite complex. I can say that, because there are lots of process or steps are involved in the procurement itself. So CPP certificate is all about providing a way of building and skills the knowledge people needs to perform their current job, right? And this based on the current scenario, because scenarios also has been changed now. We have to, as I told you, the rethink about the process. Earlier, nobody talk about the digitalization that much. Whenever we propose to any organization to transformation, they just not that much happy because the workflow has been shifted to one person to another person. Some people may lost the jobs around. So, but now because of this pandemic, organization has to move, has to go on the digitalization. So I'll share the story after this. Yesterday, I had a discussion with one of the big pharma company, who's the Asia logistics head. So I had a good discussion with him. So he shared with me the experience of his, like how he handled in the pandemic time of the logistics part and the procurement part. I'll share with you the story after this. So it is like happened like about the CPP, what is and how it is beneficial to you, and why undergo the CPP certification. So this is, as I told you, this is very much credible for you. This certification programs developed in the cooperation with Accenture to suit the need of the procurement professionals at middle level management level or the senior level. It's not mentioned, but it is there. It is a benchmark for industries to establish if potential candidate has the relevant skills and knowledge in the field. So we will provide you all the knowledge and insights basically which you can use in your current job, right? So this is, again, this is happened because this is industry driven. This is company are doing this, right? So by passing the CPP certifications, you will join an elite group of professionals who have demonstrated a commitment to excellence in the procurement field. And one good example we have today with like Mr. Bala has completed their CPP journey, CPP certification, and you can discuss with him also. Benefits to individual, although I have already covered this, but again, just acquire competency to face and solve the complex challenge in the procurement function. I mean, once complete the CPP certification, you will able to solve the complex challenges of the procurement, because you will have to get the knowledge about the bits and pieces. So, I mean, there's some chat, just let me. Okay. So increase your earning potentials and credibility in your profession. And obviously, once you have the CPP certification, CPP journey, you will be the different than others, the visible from your peers. Because now world, in today's world, there's the only word which is useful, the visibility. If you visible out of your group, then you will be able to survive and you can do anything, whatever you want or achieve. Provides you with knowledge to strategize the profession to add values in the procurement chain. The next is benefits to the organization. This is again, this also I have covered. More profitable and sustainable process to optimize the procurement function. As I mentioned, like there's a cost and profit center. So in the procurement function, you have to implement those processes which could be helpful for the companies to make the profit and sustainable things around. Mitigate procurement risk. Risk is the major factor. Any time it could be happen. So with this CPP certification, you will able to know how to mitigate the risk, because some risk could be happen. And every time the risk will be there, so you should know how to mitigate those risks. Add value to supply chain, because procurement is the major function of the supply chain. You have to add value in this. How? Because once you done the procurement very well, the value is automatically goes on of the supply chain, right? So about the CPP certification, I mean, what points it covered around. So the points, I mean, time is not much, but I'm just spread out those things around. Evolution of the procurement and supply management. This is the first one. And understanding the procurement supply management cycle. What process and what things involved in the procurement supply management. So the whole cycle, you will be able to know this on the foundation level, also on the biggest level also, right? Key objective of procurement and supply management. Overview of solicitation processes, learning strategic supply management process, strategic cost management to optimize the cost always focus on the cost, right? Through the negotiation, through anything, through change the processes on that. Contract management to ensure compliance and risk mitigation. Again, you should know about how to mitigate the risk. Supply relationship management to understanding strategy, sourcing and implementation, and obviously the legal implementation of the procurement. So now come on the like how to enroll for the e-learning certification. uh, Anyone has question? Or okay, so how to enroll for e-learning certification? So it's like is very nominal fee also, and the process is also very easy to enroll for the e-learning certifications of any e-learning, not about the CPP, it's any certifications you can join with the help of like once the step one is the membership. You need to take the membership, which is only 2100 rupees annually. I'm again repeating it, its annual fees is 2100 rupees. It's very nominal. I will explain you the how much benefits it's cover. Enroll for any learning certifications and pay a free and pay the fee accordingly. Whenever you feel like I'm interested for this program, you can make the fee and join this. Start your journey, right? So this is the all about the membership benefit I'm talking about. So once you become a member of ISM India, which costs only 2100 rupees for a year. The first point I'm taking is the ISM India website. Obviously, we have the My Training section. There's a you can learn for any certifications. You can have notes over there on the ISM India website, right? Webcast. One thing, the webinar we are conducting every month, twice or thrice, even fourth time in a month. So those webinars are free of cost for members. And after the webinar, we are uploading those recorded version on our YouTube channel. You can visit, you can watch those videos. Once you become the member, you can have free access on those webcasts. You can anytime watch those videos, even our website. Weekly newsletter of very trending news. Whatever in the supply chain and procurement happen in the world level, on the global side I'm talking about. So those weekly newsletter also, e-newsletter, you will get on the weekly basis, Monday or Tuesday, I think you will receive this. Monthly magazine, this is Insights magazine coming from ISM USA. They research a lot for this magazine and including all the hot topics in this. So this will also, you will get free of cost once you become a member. And one thing we have added last month, you can say that, one playbook. So you will get the access on the playbook where two tools are there by which you can analyze, assess your negotiation style, because on the daily basis you are negotiating a lot in your procurement function, but you should know like how style you have, because there's a 3 to 4 style of negotiation: logical, strategic negotiation, logical, tough, warm. So what styles you have, right? You can easily get this, and this would be free of cost for members. Networking events, we are conducting events very frequently, COP meetings, because we are giving you the networking is the one word. So we are giving you the opportunity to connect with the peers, right? So nowadays the only key mantra is the networking. If you connected well with your peers, that would be, you can use those opportunity anytime, right? Support like webinars for any courses, we are conducting webinars, you can join free of cost. Mentoring calls, if you, this is the main benefit or the major benefit of this. Like if you feel you have difficulty in any course and in any topics, you can just call us. We will arrange a call with the trainer and you can discuss with them, right? This features will be free of cost for members. Helpline, I mean, this you can call us anytime. Job assistance, because we have the network of people, so any jobs request comes to us from any organization, we are passing on to our members. E-learning, as I explained already. So I mean, yes, the benefit part I'm talking about, CPSS and blockchain certification are free of cost available for members. Again repeating it, CPSS, strategic sourcing and blockchain certification are free of cost for members. Once you become a member, then you will get the access on this free of cost. There's no charges at all. CPP, APP negotiation, obviously the paid certification. We will let you know the how cost is this and other part. So for this, I mean, this is the very few companies I put it down because the space is not allowed much, to whom we are in connected with the certifications, with training, with consulting. These are the few snapshot of the companies. So thank you again, Mr. Montu, Mr. Bala, and to all of you to patient hearing. And if any question, you can just let me know. I'll be happy to answer. Thank you so much.
So, dear all participants, now you are allowed to ask any question directly Arun. Who has any question regarding procurement or supply chain certification from ISM? Thank you.
And one more thing, I would like to give you the information, the good point. I mean, whosoever joined this session today, they will get 10% discount on every e-learning certifications program. So you can take this opportunity and you can use this 10% discount. You can, if you enroll, you can get 10% discount. You just quote to me in my email ID, so you will get this.
So Arun, you can go through chat box. All are asking question over there.
Okay. One person, Ishar, asked like which payment modes are available. We have every type of modes, like you can make the payment through credit card, debit card, Google Pay. I mean, company is accepting all. And of course, for every payment, we will provide you the invoices. My email ID is arun.pal@ism-india.org. I'm sorry, I discontinued my screen. I just put it again so you can see my email ID and other information as well.
So Arun, it would be really great if you can write your email ID and contact number in chat box.
Okay, sure, we'll do that. Any question who wants
Arun,
to talk?
Arun, beside Biplab Sharma.
Okay, hi.
I understood. CPC, what would be the cost and what would be the duration?
Okay, so the cost wise, the paid program is the I mean different course fees are there, and the duration of each course is 6 months. So within 6 months you have to finish your course, right? But the membership duration is 1 year. So within 1 year you can join anytime. Once you join the program certification, then your duration count, and up to 6 months you can complete your journey.
What is the entire cost for the CPC?
I'm sorry.
What is the entire expenditure for having CPC certificate?
See, impact wise, I told you like this is industry driven certification, right? And we have put it over there all the requirements which company needed, right? So in after these certifications, you will able to know the process and the best practices for the procurement, right? So you can use those best practices in your job role, in your job functions.
If I go for CPP, as you have said, CPS is the free of cost for the member, which you have taken. So,
if you can please make it little loud because it's difficult to get your point.
Okay, I'm putting in the chat box.
That would be perfect.
Hello, Arun.
Hi, Dhananjay, right?
Yes, I am Dhananjay. I would like to ask one question. Like you mentioned about membership fees. So, is that a mandatory to pay membership fee for joining any kind of a course?
Yes, for the e-learning certification, any certifications, the membership is the mandatory. You need to, once you become a member, then we will provide you the login credentials of the e-learning site basically. So to get the credentials, you need the membership. And out of them, with the membership, you will get a lot of benefits as I already explained.
And also about that beginner level course and the CPP, can you just share the price details for them?
Definitely, I will share with you. I have put it my email ID in the group, in the chat box. You can take that my email ID, and the contact number is also there. So you can WhatsApp me also your email ID, or you can connect with Mr. Bala and Mr. Montu. You can share your email ID. He can share with me, and I will provide you the details.
Okay.
Hi Arun.
So there's a lots of questions on the CPP fees. So I'm just telling it's for the CPP certification fees is 15,000 rupees, 15,000, and as I mentioned, you will get 10% discount out of this, right? So there's the fee.
Hi, Arun.
I hope everyone gets my contact number and email ID. Because in the chat box I have already mentioned. Okay. I have mentioned my personal number also. You can call me anytime. I'll be very happy to answer. And I would love to chat with the procurement professionals. So you can call me anytime. I'll be very happy. Any other questions? Anyone? 10% discount on membership also, or only on e-learning. So this discount is basically for e-learning certification, not on the membership, because membership cost is nothing. You can say if you talk about the benefit, 2,100 rupees for a year, it's very nominal. So we never talk about the discount part of the membership. Effective cost of the course would be, Mr. Dhananjay rightly mentioned, 13,500 after 10% discount deduction plus 2,100 rupees. 2,100 you can keep it. This is inclusive of GST. So 2,100, it would be around 15,600. 15,600.
So Arun, I am very curious to know that the 10% discount is available on another platform in the market, or you especially are going to provide us for procurement?
No, we are providing to you only because I mean I can see that there's a lots of efforts you put it over to connect the people around you and Mr. Wala. It's really hats off to you guys, because last time there is something happened. I was not able to join the session. That I'm sorry again for this. So I mean for this it is. I'm giving you just the complimentary part. I'm giving you the 10% discount, and even if you are coming with the number of people, then we can discuss the further discount over this. But 10% to everyone, to whosoever joined this session today.
Great. So Nishant is also asking a question to you, Arun.
Yeah, hi. Is there any placement provides from your side after completion of the certification? See, Nishant, there is, I mean, very good point you are raised, but we, as rightly mentioned, like we have requested from many organizations, even the World Bank also, we got the information for the jobs, you know, so any companies having the any vacancy, right? Because they know we have the people, we have the right people who completed their certifications, either CPSM or other certifications as well. So they are coming up for the procurement professionals. We will provide that information to our members. So it is there. But we are not assuring you like the good old days in the colleges. We found like we are providing the 100% placement after this. So we are not in those world. But yes, we are providing you the network. You can create your network. You can build your network and get the opportunity. what kind of education background he required. We required the graduation in any stream and at least 1 year experience in the domain. Supply chain and the procurement, any of the domain of supply chain processes. Because the fresher never understand about the things, because this is the industry driven program, and we have put it all the things which is industry required. The fresher can't understand. If you once you board on the company, then you will able to connect the things whatever we discuss in the certifications programs. I have ISM US membership. It is applicable for ISM India. Very good. I mean, if you took ISM USA membership from ISM India, then you will get this. I mean, you must be having ISM India membership complement. If you take directly ISM USA membership, then we can't help. But if you took ISM USA membership from us, that definitely will help you out with the ISM India membership as well. You can write to me and you can call me, because you are our ISM USA member. You can call me anytime to discuss this thing. So Berto, okay, I know you. And anyone asking the questions, I think. What is the processes of getting membership? First, we need to mail you, then payment link and other thing will be provided. See, visit our website ismindia.org. I'm just putting here the website .ism. There is a membership form available. There is a bank detail available. Just fill the membership form and make the payment of 2100 rupees. The very next day, within 24 hours, you will get your membership ID with the credentials of e-learning portal. Okay, so Brato, you live in Philippines now. I recall some way we had a discussion on the CPSM side earlier. Yeah. That means I can say that I have good sharp memory. You are saying yes. I will switch over to sourcing and procurement. What I have to do in entry level to join as a fresher? What kind of background required? See, as a fresher, I'm suggesting you take the membership of 2100 rupees. Join our programs, what we are conducting very frequently. Even you can say that every week we are conducting webinars that the free of cost. You should join those, and because in the webinar, in the event, you got the opportunity to listen the industry leaders. Earlier, yesterday also we had one event on navigating supply chain management after you can say the post COVID-19. So that is led by Mr. Batra, and Mr. Batra joined by people who's a Wipro head. He is the now in the Premji Invest. He's the chief of the company in that, and other person as well. One person from the USA who was involving in the launching of ISM for this iPhone SE. So that person was there, the team leader over there who launched this iPhone SE. So those type of people you got the opportunity to listen. You got the opportunity to discuss with them in the event. So I would request you to join those programs, because as a members it would be free of cost for you. Mr. Deepak says company asked for SIPs in Europe and Middle East. See, Deepak, this is like the CPSM and SIPs are the more or less same credentials having, and few companies, like some companies ask CPSM, some companies ask SIPs. That depends their role basically, because SIPs comes from the operations background and CPSM comes from the procurement background. This you can easily check. Sorry, you can easily check on the Wikipedia. There's a quite good differentiate. They made it very tabular format, so you will get good flavor out of this. How many attempts can we make to complete each course? Mr. Auth queries. Okay, so attempt wise, one attempt you will get free of cost within the cost of 15,000 as if you talk about the CPP, and for every reattempt you have to pay 2,000 rupees. So reattempt charges are there, but we want like you should complete your certification in a one attempt only, which is free. Or I mean, for this we are here to provide you the support before sitting the exams. You should discuss with us. You should go through with the processes what we suggested you. So I think that will help you to complete your journey within the one attempt. Passing criteria, Mr. Dhananjay, yes, 70% score you have to ensure, then you will get the certificate.
So, dear all
1%
respected.
Ishar.
Please continue. Please continue.
Okay. 1% Ishar is asking like, does ISM provide any MBA program like PGTM or equivalent? See, Ishar, we are not in the academic field. We are in the professionalized things around with the with industry-driven certifications. So we never talk about the academic. Very good code. I'm sharing with you because academy part academic certificate is always good to take the first job, right? When you got the first job and having 1 or 2 year experience, nobody talks about your academic certificates. They all talk about your professional certifications. They all talk about the skills, any specific function certification or your experience in that, right? So any international certificate will help you out. I think after 2-3 years of your job experience, there is no need to this academic certifications anywhere. Even if you are planning to move out of India, even they are not asking for the academic certification. If you have something international certifications, just like the United Nations certificate or ISM certificates. Okay. Other questions is like, okay, good. I have 3 years of experience in the procurement. I will definitely take this course. Thank you, Mr. Ishar. I will be very happy to help you out in this. You can call me anytime. I'll be sharing the details with you.
So, dear all respective participants, now I have something to tell you that ISM is ready to provide us a best discount for our procurement wale community. And if anybody wants to buy or purchase any ISM course, then feel free to contact me and I will provide you a discount code to you. Moreover, there is a disclaimer from my side that I am not involving any type of monetary transaction with anybody, and I am just facilitating this to our procurement community. Yeah, and now I have a question for all of you participants, and only participants or listeners are allowed to write correct answer in chat box only. The person who will write correct answer, first of all, will be entitled for appreciation certificate from procurement wale. So I am going to populate the question in chat box. Just a moment.
Before this, Mr. Montu, there is a long question from Chaudhary, Prashant Chaudhary. So let me answer this if you are not, if you are comfortable with this.
Okay.
Okay. So, Mr. Prashant, you have rightly mentioned like you are on our ISM India website and there is no direct link, the payment gateway basically. So we intentionally not putting the payment gateway on the site because this is not the e-commerce site. So where you can just add the certifications in the cart and make the payment. We want like people should call us, right? They call us and discuss for the same. So that confidence level should be up on this, right? Because we will share with you the link where you can make the payment through your card. But putting on the website the gateway is not the we feel is not the way to sell the certificate because we are not selling the certificates only. We professionalize things around. We supports you in your certification journey, right? So this is not the one-way communication. We don't want this because if we are putting payment gateway, this could be the one way communication. You just come, add the certification in the card, make the payment, and do it your certification. But we want like people should connect with us. We give them the full confidence in this, then they can go with this, because we don't want people waste the money around. They first confidence in us, then they go for the certifications. I hope this answers you well.
So Arun, with your permission, can I?
Sure. I'm sorry. Yes, you already
Thank
did.
you. So guys, here you go, and please read the question in chat box. So the number one answer is this.
Very knowledgeable people are there in the group. You just put it the question. There's a answers.
That's great.
So I'm very happy to see this type of group.
So fantastic, Arun. Before we really move close to end of this session, please again share your contact details with our listeners, or you can populate the same in chat box once again, so that they can contact you in case they have any query regarding any procurement or ISM courses, right?
Right. I'm just typing this. And we will arrange one more session like this on the international certifications only, because today's our focus on the e-learning certifications, and out of them the CPP is the focus point. But again, we'll arrange some session like this. So we'll focus on the international certification, because that will who's having more than 4 or 5 year experience, they can take those certifications, which is very useful for them.
Great. And dear all, I will also share the session note and recording of this session on social media like LinkedIn and YouTube for our listeners. And Arun, really thank you for being with us today. And also a big thank you to our listeners for their time. Yep. And thank you so much, and happy learning. See you soon. Thank you once again.
Thank you. Bye-bye. Take care, everyone.
Thanks, Arun.
Bye-bye.
Thank you, Monty.
Thank you.
Thanks, Arun. Thanks, Monty and Bala.
Thank you.